How's it going? How's it going? So, not going to take a whole lot of your time, guys. Um, some people are getting it, some people are not, right? And so, what I have realized is my focus is going to be on people that really want to have freedom, people that really want to have self sustainment, right? People who want to be able to provide for their families even after they leave, right? So it's really residual income, right? Where you can do something one time and continue to get paid over and over again. And so that's what my focus is when I wrote my book, right? Writing grants, writing grants for Blueprint 2025, right? Is for you to get paid without having to go in your 401k, go in your savings, but write grants where you can use that money, right? To either for a franchise or you can build a legacy for your family, right? Use a grant where you can buy property and land, right? Use a grant where you can buy um, a cargo van or box truck business, right? And you don't put yourself in debt. So this video, as I sit here in front of you making this video, I'm looking for about 100 people that want to make some money, want to really understand how they can get in the cargo van business, how to write grants. I need 100 people today to go buy the book, www.cargovanbusiness.com, and I'm going to do mentor sessions where I'm going to do webinars. If you show me that you purchased a book, I want you to prove to me that you bought the book in the last within the last 7 days. I need 100 people, right? www.cargovanbusiness.com. Get the grant book, get the cargo van, how to start a cargo van and box truck business. And I'm going to spend time and helping those people really start a business, launch a business, how to be self-sufficient, right? You can use grants, guys. It's free money to buy your own land, to buy your own buildings, right? It's that simple, guys. But most people won't get it because most people mindset is to work a job, right? But if you want to be wealthy, is that you leave money for your kids. And how do you do that, guys? You start today. Go buy the book, looking for 100 people, www.cargovanbusiness.com.